Alrighty, good to see you. So we had a crazy active thirsty Thursday today. So in this video, I'm just going to be breaking down Coinbase, Coin, Tesla, TSLA, and Mara. So let's get right into it. So Coinbase, as we expected, Coinbase is really starting to bleed off. So underneath 390 yesterday, that bear flag from yesterday, it's just been nothing but bleeding off. Had a little bit of a kickback rally. Do you remember yesterday's Coinbase video where I talked about this bull flag and how you could probably see Coinbase at about 360? Well, Coinbase went up to that 360, 370 area right up here early in the pre-market. The thieves in the night woke up early to sell their Coinbase up over there. So unfortunately, it didn't actually print during the day, and it kind of just opened up right where it closed, and Coinbase kind of just started to flatline, dropped off. Nobody's interested in this right now in terms of buying it. There's more sell side pressure. There's definitely people interested in buying Coinbase, but there's a lot of big people with big money, it seems like, that is pushing the stock price down. I was looking at the intraday time frame, the minute, and there's just tons of upper wicks. It just felt like every single time Coinbase got a little bit of a rally, it was shorted into. And that's usually a bearish sign. That usually means we might have more continuation to the downside. Now, I'm not saying sell your Coinbase. I'm not here to tell you whether to buy or whether to sell. I'm just here to tell you the technicals, and to me, the technicals look a little bit bearish. If Coinbase breaks 320 and holds underneath 320, we're likely to take out that 310. After that, we're likely to just see psychological levels as holding, and we need to see the interaction of the price during the live stream and as it's happening live. But look for psychological areas, meaning there's going to be buyers waiting at 300. There's going to be buyers waiting at, 280, 275. I'll be a buyer of Coinbase at 250. I have a very small position from 400 just to get exposure, but less of a position than the profits that I made from buying Coinbase on its IPO or a direct listing. So Coinbase looking to head lower, especially if it breaks that 320. Look for the volume down below and see if it starts to break 310 on increasing volume. That could be bad. But let's talk about the bullish case. The bullish case, really, it only starts getting a little bit interesting if we break this consolidation right here. Do you see this consolidation top? Look at how many tops we had up there. We tried so hard to break 340. So 340 is a short-term upside break point to potentially test 350. So Coinbase likes to move in about $10 increments. So 340 up to 350, get above 350, and then we can talk about that supply zone that we talked about, 360, 370. So $10 increments. Think, okay, is Coinbase beaten this level? Has it beaten the level of 340? Okay, let's check out 350. Okay, it's broken the level of 350. Let's check out 360 and so on. The biggest resistance is going to be about 380 and 390. Once we get above 400, then we can talk about all-time highs and see if it can break above, 400, 410, 420. This is a nasty breakdown. So because of that, there's going to be a lot of resistance at the 420 level, ironically. So if we can get above and hold above 420, we should pop all-time highs. But that might take quite a bit longer with the way that Coinbase is moving right now. So that's my breakdown of Coinbase off of just the 1 minute, the 5 minute, not a lot of data to go through because it's so new. So we'll just have to take the price action for what it is. So that's Coinbase. Let's talk about Tesla, TSLA. Tesla, still long. Didn't really do anything much today with Tesla. I said I bought the dip at about 7:30 yesterday. So that's a little bit up by the end of the day. But Tesla just consolidating. I am bullish Tesla. So as long as Tesla's above 730, but ideally, 735, this upper green resistance line, which is now support since we're above it, right? So Tesla expecting a little bit more upside. I think we can test something like 755, maybe this breakdown area, 755, maybe as high as 760 tomorrow on Friday, as long as we're above that 737 area. And again, I have a debit spread that is to capture this move. 745/750 debit spread. Didn't really do much today. It's right at break even. As you can see, Tesla kind of just had a sideways day. Actually a little bit up, but there we go. Tesla risking $150 to potentially turn it into $500 tomorrow if Tesla can get above and close above 750. I might just sell this a little bit early. Maybe I'll sell it at like 350, 3.5. And that'll be if Tesla like touches 750 or touches 755. So that's what I'm looking forward to on Tesla. If Tesla can break bullish tomorrow. If not, guess what? I just cut my losses. Maybe I take like a, $70 loss. Oh, well, that's fine. $70 loss for a $200 gain. That's fine in my book. But Tesla, closing beneath 735 right here, hourly. The longer it stays beneath a level, the more likely it is to test the next level. The longer it is above a key level, the more likely it is to gravitate towards the next key level, which is that 760 area. So beneath 737, 737, I think that Tesla can probably test 730, but I wouldn't expect it to hold if it's already testing 730 since we touched it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times and rallied off of it. So 730 might be a weak support because it's been hammered so many times, and we might test something like 715 in a bit, and that would be a really bearish scenario for Tesla. We'll evaluate it on the live stream. So that was Tesla today. Let's check out Mara, M-A-R-A. Mara, I keep getting questions about Mara, so that's why I'm bringing it down. Also, I traded Mara today. Nice, good uptrend on the daily time frame. And even then, this is just a higher low in an uptrend. You can draw some Fibonacci fans or whatever. Higher low, higher low, higher low. Look at the interactions, basically an interaction there, an interaction there. Perfect touch there, perfect touch there. And now we're starting to build a steeper uptrend line right there if this is the low for Mara. So Mara, let's just grab some key levels to look out for. I took the dip buy on Mara today at $40 a share. And I'm going to see if we can get a move all the way up to $44 a share by tomorrow, potentially even 45, 46, based on where Mara is positioned at. So bought the dip at 40, had to go a little bit underwater. I actually stopped out of some of my shares on Mara. Net for on Mara minus 17, but I do have a debit spread on Mara. So this shows you that I'm bullish Mara. I'm voting on it with my money. And I have the 40.5 strike call, buying that. So that's a +1 for that. And then I'm selling the 43 strike call. So I'm saying, I don't think Mara will go much past 43 by tomorrow. So I'm going to pay $75 and potentially get $250 out of this. So this has another $125 that I can make on this. And so that would be my profit of, about $175 if Mara can close above 43. Now, Mara, hourly beneath $40 a share leads the trap door. So $40 a share could bring Mara down, and maybe we test another support level. Maybe we go as low as 34, 35. So if Mara breaks $40 a share, look for 34, 35. I'm currently bullish Mara, so I'm hoping that Mara can test something like 44 or 46 by tomorrow, and we'll be dictating the price action as it's going along. So hopefully you enjoyed that recap. It was a small little green day on the day trading side of things. A lot of over trading. And I'm very aware of it. Sometimes being aware just isn't enough. I definitely need to scale back on the trades, but I'm also collecting valuable data and getting better as a trader. So sometimes there's a little bit of a sacrifice in that, but it was a whipsaw of a Thursday because by the time the morning was done in the first 10 minutes, I was up plus $250. But I took some really bad trades and got clapped on, some other stocks, gave back a lot of P&L. At one point on the day, I was minus $480. That's over trading. That's way too much slippage, stuff going wrong. But by the end of the day, I ended up making $481.75 to net plus $1.75 on the day trading side of things. Again, on the swing trading side of things, it was really good. But it just shows I need to be a model for you guys, and models do not overtrade. So sometimes it's a little bit for experience and showing and demonstrating on the live stream. Sometimes there's just not a need for that. So I'm just rambling and going off what's going on in my head in terms of my trading performance, as you should if you're an active trader in the market. You always want to constantly be thinking, what can I do better? What am I not doing so well? How could I manage risk better? How could I take better setups, improve my accuracy, this and that? So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit the like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll hopefully see you live. If not live, I'll see you in the next Weenie Trades video. Bye-bye.